It's a gesture that goes back to Holy Scripture. When Pope Francis blessed a total of 42 Pallia last Saturday and presented them to new archbishops, it reminded them of the basic mission of Jesus Christ. A pallium is a band made of sheep's wool and symbolizes the sheep from God's flock that the shepherd puts on his shoulders to carry them safely through dangers. It's also adorned with 6 black silk crosses and will be placed on the shoulders of the 42 new metropolitan archbishops who were appointed during the last year.
Today, the metropolitan archbishops appointed in the last year received the pallium. In communion with Peter and following the example of Christ, the gate for the sheep, they are called to be zealous shepherds who open the doors of the gospel and through their ministry help to build a church and a society of open doors.
Only metropolitan archbishops and the Latin Rite Patriarch of Jerusalem are imposed with a white pallium with black crosses as a symbol of communion, authority, and unity with the Pope in his pastoral mission to be a shepherd for the people of God. Traditionally, this ceremony takes place on June the 29th, the Solemnity of Saints Peter and Paul. Both apostles suffered martyrdom for Christ here in the Eternal City.
The apostles Peter and Paul witnessed firsthand the work of God, who opened the doors of their interior prisons, but also the actual prisons into which they were thrown because of the gospel. The Lord also opened before them the doors of evangelization, so they could have the joy of encountering their brothers and sisters in the fledgling communities and bring the hope of the gospel to all. Now this year, we also are preparing to open the Holy Door.
Pope Francis will open the Holy Door on December the 24th for the Jubilee. Rome is expecting a new record number of visitors and pilgrims to come to the city of the apostles Peter and Paul for this occasion.